ka surjong phi ka thong jangi.
Menteri Rangba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ula Kynnoh baka tengah jong unong yalam kaseng Kongres Gogoi ula yo tulap na Pakistan ha kapor baka dangsa ha India bat kala samru yaki khubor halor ki kamsan perthe jong kari India. Menteri Rangba ula ongru ba kalalet sha Pakistan hadu khandai sien katba Gogoi ru ula sa shifau singi ha Pakistan halor ka jingakut jong katanat Interior Ministry jong katei kari. Haba jubab hakapor ba penlong yaka Ivartan Yatra Puthurughat ha Sipajihar constituency Ugarav Gogoi ulakan tajur yakatei ka jingkano.
Pakistan through a pass-through mechanism, sitting in India, taking salary from an enemy country and submitting periodic report on the political development in India. These are matter of great concern. Simultaneously, she visited 9 times to Pakistan from India, as well as she took Mr. Gaurav Gogoi to Pakistan. The visa was given at the request of Ministry of Interior, and he stayed 10 days there. Now, how a MP from India can be invited by Ministry of Interior, and in how he spent that 10 days in Pakistan? These are the questions we have asked. Apart from that, Gaurav Gogoi surrendered the Indian passport of both of his children and facilitated getting British passport. His wife already has a British passport. So these are the questions we asked, and I hope that Mr. Gogoi will come clean on these questions.